Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Safrin. In today's video, you are gonna create this whole entire makeup look using products under 100 rupees. You guys had requested for this video, so here it is. Now, it's been a very long time that I've put up a long form, of video. So if you're gonna continue watching, then do not forget to subscribe and enjoy the video. Let's get started. First up, I'm using a primer. Now for primer, I'm using this Inside Cosmetics primer, which is really nice. I love this primer. Perfect for people with, like open pores, oily skin, too much of oil on your face. This is the primer you can go for, and it's so affordable. It is under 100 rupees. Perfect and very affordable. Moving on, I'm gonna use a orange corrector from Inside Cosmetics. Now, talking about the packaging and everything, it's a normal, like packaging. But talking about the product here, let me tell you all one thing. I have really deep dark circles and pigmentation. For me to cover this up, I need a very, very good corrector, right? Now, here the corrector is nice. I haven't complaining about the corrector at all. The only concern is that it took too much of product for me to cover it because I have very deep dark circles and pigmentation. If you are someone who has, like very less dark circles, then this corrector is gonna be beautiful. I don't have any complaint with the product. The only thing is because I have deep dark circles, there's too much of layering that I had to do. So yeah, moving on, I'm gonna use, I could not find any foundation under 100 rupees, you guys. So I'm gonna use this Inside Cosmetics concealer, and I'm gonna use this only as a foundation and concealer both. Now, the product, let me first tell you, the shade was not matching my skin tone. It's very light. It, did oxidize, but still the shade was lighter for my complexion. The product is really nice. I don't have any complaint with the product. The coverage is really nice. It glides on very well onto your skin. It stays for a longer period of time and everything. But the only thing is the shade. If you just ignore the shade range, because this was one of the darkest colors that I picked, if you ignore the shade range, the product is really nice. And if you're looking for something in a budget like 100 rupees, then this is something you can definitely pick. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I did love how it turned out, a part of the, like shade. Now, to balance the shade or, give me a nice, beautiful, contoured sort of a effect, I'm gonna use a eyebrow pencil. I could not again find any contour under 100 rupees. So I'm using this Blue Heavens eyebrow definer. I'm gonna put a little bit of product on my hand, use a contour brush, and I'm gonna contour using my eyebrow pencil. This technique actually worked, but the only thing is it took a while for me to blend it out because the product was not that creamy. Yes, a part of that, everything was okay. So yeah, if you like this hack, you can also try it. Moving on, once I'm done with the contour, I've contoured the usual points, like my forehead, cheekbone, jawline, and all of that. Because after foundation, your face looks very round. It does need a little bit of contour. So that's why I couldn't skip the contour. I had to do it. Next, I'm using this Inside Cosmetics blush. Now, I know you guys must be thinking that she's using only Inside Cosmetics products. No, there are going to be a lot of different brands as well. So, continue watching. This blush is really good. When I say really good, it is because it blends like a butter. Even if you're a beginner and you find cream products very difficult to blend in, then this is something you need to try. It is absolutely good. Lighter, first of all, I love the color is so beautiful. And yeah, let's just apply this highlighter all over my face. The highlighter was also really nice, and I mean it blended on really well and it was really good. I'm using the Inside Cosmetics, like a loose powder. I think this is something which is not under 100 rupees. I think it's 120 or 150, but I'm sure during the sale you will get this under 100 rupees. So yes, you can pick this up during the sale. This powder is really nice. It is like a yellow banana powder, and it's really good. It does make your skin transfer proof and all of that. Moving on, I'm using a kajal. Now for kajal here, I've used the Blue Heaven kajal. This kajal is really nice. I won't lie. I mean, like, it's not the creamiest kajal ever, but then it is good for the price range. Again, I think this is somewhere in the range of 70 rupees, I believe. I'll just put, like a display of the MRP somewhere here so you guys can have a check. It blends on really well. It stays for a longer time. So yes, you can definitely buy this kajal. It's really good. Now I'm just creating a smoky sort of a effect here. I've applied the kajal on my eyelids and my waterline. Now I did not have any eyeshadow to set this. So I mean matte eyeshadow to set this. So I'm just gonna use the same inside powder to set everything in place. But I do have a shimmery eyeshadow. This one is from the brand called Miss Claire, and it's a beautiful silver eyeshadow. Initially when I picked it up from my fingers, it was very powdery and it wasn't gliding on so well. But then when I started using this with the help of a brush, it actually worked really well, surprisingly, because shimmery eyeshadows work better with your fingers compared to brush. But this product was gliding on really well with the help of a brush. So yes, again, if you are looking for a shimmery eyeshadow under 100 rupees, it is not a bad option. Now the favorite product of mine is these eyelashes. These are from Mars Cosmetics, and these are under 100 rupees, and they're so 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 good. I mean, I love these lashes so much. Okay, I mean, if you want to pick something out of all these products, this is one thing you must try. Okay, again, the lash glue is not available under 100 rupees. Okay, for that you have to pick up a good one. I have used from the brand called PAC. Don't pick, like the cheap lash glues. It's not gonna be good and they will not stick. So yeah, that's what my eye makeup looks like after applying lashes. Next up, I'm gonna use my favorite lip color in Swiss Beauty. This is in the shade called dark chocolate. I'm gonna outline my lips using this. Swiss Beauty lip liners are awesome. I think, like by now, you'd have heard a lot of people talking about it. And that's very true because these are like what, 39, 40 rupees, I believe, and they work so good. So, yes, I love this lip liners. And for topping it up, I'm going to use my Blue Heaven lipstick. All the details of the products, I will give you all a link in the description if you plan on buying it, so you can have a check. Using this Blue Heaven lipstick, now when I started applying the first layer, it was very watery, and then I just had to give it a good shake and reapply it, and it settled down so well, like you can see. Right now, if you did like this video, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you want me to create a video on some particular topic, then let me know in the comment section below.